Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa Netzband and I am the Information Literacy and Instruction Librarian here at SUNY Potsdam. This video is going to cover an introduction to the libraries and the library webpage. So, where are the physical libraries on campus? We have one library, Crum Library, located in the Lougheed Learning Commons in the middle of the quad on campus. The other library, Crane Library, is located within Crane in the music department. So let's take a look at this webpage. First things first. On our main page here, you'll see that we have our quick search, databases, and quick links, along with our chat and appointments. This is the main what are you going to need right away area. When we scroll up, we have different areas up here for different topics. So for Find Sources, if we click that, it'll take us to a page that brings us to a database A to Z list, different resource lists including articles and journals, research guides, class guides, etc., and reserves and everything else. If we go to the Help page, we have the Chat with a Librarian link, Research Appointment link, Citing Sources, how do I, in the fact area, starting your research and technology help desks, information literacy, contact us, and then specific areas for specific types of users. We head over to services. You can find information on borrowing, renewing, interlibrary loan, booking a study room, which is not available this fall, computing, and the makerspace. Specific services again, and then about us. So if you're looking for our hours, specific staff, library locations, looking to be hired by the library, policies, and a ton of other information, you'll find it right here. So let's head back to the main page. So if we're going to use this quick search, this search is your starting point. So we're just going to search Africa, right? And see what pops up. Some things to notice as this loads up. You're going to want to sign in. Now this is just signing in with your normal campus information. And what this does is it makes sure that no matter where you are on campus or not, you have access to all of the stuff that comes up. Alright, now we have over 4 million different results that have come in, as you can see up here. So we might want to look at narrowing this down. You're going to want to come over to the Tweak Your Results section over here. So you can sort by relevance, oldest to newest, titles, and authors. You can also sort by availability. So say you're specifically looking for a peer-reviewed or scholarly article. You can click that link, apply the filter, and everything that pops up is going to be peer-reviewed. Awesome little button, isn't it? If we go back, you can also do open access, available online, which will be especially helpful if you are off campus, or held specifically by the library. You can also search by publication date. So maybe you want to have something that was published within the last 10 years. This is where you would refine that. Or maybe you want to refine by format. Is there a specific format that you would like everything to come up as? Articles, journals, book chapters. You get the idea. This subject area is great for refining your search. Africa is a pretty broad search term, so maybe we're looking specifically for females in Africa, or animals in Africa, or Africa studies, or forecasts and trends. Whatever it may be, this can help you narrow down your search a little bit. Maybe you need something from a specific journal title for your assignment. Here are some different journals that things come from. Alright, maybe you want to pick something up from Crum Library. You can click Crum right here, and everything that comes up in this search will be in Crum, and you can see the exact information. Maybe you want to go a little bit further into location. Here's another area to do so. Databases. Maybe you want to search a specific database. Again, there you are. Author and creator has an area as well as language. Now, I'm assuming that most of you speak English as your first language or second language, so we'll click that, but maybe Spanish is your first language, or French, or many other languages, and you can click whatever languages you're comfortable with as well. All right, so there we are. Some other quick tips for you. So maybe we want Africa and another term. So what we'll do is we'll put Africa in little quotation marks here, and we'll put the letters "and" in all caps, and then we'll do sports. What the quotation marks do is they ensure that what comes up in our search are these specific words, not one or the other. By putting "and" there, we're making sure that we get both. And as you can see, Africa and sports are going to be in each of them. All right, let's go back. You can also use that with or, and or, not, and a bunch of other things. All right, let's go back to the home page. Maybe you want to look at what databases we have. So you can go based off of this, or you can choose databases by subject or title. So this is fantastic. What you can do is you can search by letter of the alphabet, right? Or maybe you want something for a specific topic. So let's go to philosophy. Why not? And here are a list of databases that specifically might help out philosophy. You can do the same thing for women and gender studies. And you're also going to get best bets at the top. These are amazing, great options as well. All right. You can also do it by database type. So maybe you're looking specifically for primary sources. There you go. Diaries, letters, and correspondence. You get the gist. All right. Head back to the home page. We also have some great quick links here. If you're looking to search journals specifically, you can use that. If you want to search WorldCat, so libraries worldwide, including SUNY Potsdam, you can use that search as well. All right, maybe you need to make an appointment with us. You need one-on-one help, and you really just want to get into it with a librarian. Great, you can make an appointment here. And right now we have the summer appointment form, but normally a link would come up. There we go. You put your name, email, some times, and dates that you're available. Please put 3 different choices. That way we can, find the best that works for both of us. How you would like to do your appointment, what you need help with, specific assignment information, and then submit it. From there, a librarian will be in contact with you, and you'll be able to set up that appointment virtually. Need immediate one-on-one help? Go to our live chat. You can just put your information in, put in your question, and then start chat. Currently, it's from 10 to 4 that we're available for summer hours, but once the semester starts, that'll change a little bit. When we are not in those specific hours, this is still available, but you are probably not going to get a SUNY Potsdam librarian. You might get a librarian in California or on another part of the world. They'll still be able to help you, but they may not be able to help you with specific Potsdam stuff. So just keep that in mind. If you feel like texting to use the live chat, you can do that as well. You can just use this number up top. And again, that's only available during the specific hours that SUNY Potsdam librarians are available. All right. If there's anything else that you need, let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you out. I just want to show you one more thing, and that is in the services area. We have Interlibrary Loan. Now, Interlibrary Loan is when you need to get a book or an article from another library, something that we don't have at SUNY Potsdam. You can totally do that. You just need to create an account, and then you would put in the book or article that you need, and our librarian and staff members will do everything that we can to get that resource to you. So that is an option. If you have more questions, feel free to ask us on the chat or just send us an email. And ILL does have its own email. It's ill@potsdam.edu. All right, y'all. We hope that you Enjoy your semester with us, and we really, really, really look forward to working with you. Please reach out to us anytime.